Hi. Whew. I'm sitting here on my bench at Riley Trails. Just tore through the first half. Pretty fast. Fast for me. It's a nice day. It's very sunny, as you can see with the sun on my head. Blue skies. A few little tiny puffy white clouds in the distance. Not too many. It's around 50 degrees. That's me wearing this t-shirt, sweatshirt, fleece, and windbreaker, outerwear. Having some of them unzipped right now. Trying to cool off. Some birds back here. I don't know where they are. I can't see them. The sun's kind of right in my eyes. I took my hat off to let my head cool off. There's a few people back here. One guy was on the bike, and he was behind me the whole time. I was going through like the first part of the front section, and all of a sudden he catches up to me on the road. He goes around me, and I says, "Oh, I didn't know you were back there. Why didn't you say something like, get out of the way?" And I would have moved. He seemed like he wanted to really buck, so, and he didn't say. He says, "That's okay, don't worry about it." And then he just kept going. So I'm like, okay. I'm surprised I haven't seen him pass me by again. He's probably one of those ones that go around here 10 times or some crazy shit like that. I'm lucky I could make it through once. Really. I'm just not used to doing these kind of trails anymore. I haven't done them since I lived in Rochester with the hills and stuff. And then the leaves, really super slippery. When they're wet, it's like ice. Today, it's dry, fortunately, but there's still, you try to stop when you're going around the corner and you just skid. I almost ran into 2 trees so far. I was coming around a corner too fast, and I tried to grab my brake and slow down, and my bike just kept going straight, and my body was trying to turn. So, yeah, crazy. But I'm not complaining, really. I'm just stating facts of what happened. Observations. I don't complain. I just make truthful, factual observations. I don't judge. I make factual observations. There is a difference. And people get those two mixed up constantly. Making judgments and observations. They're pretty close, but not quite the same thing. If you look up the definition in the dictionary, I had someone say that to me on Facebook. You're being very judgmental. I says, no, I'm making a factual observation. So I put the definition of observation and then judgments. Or judgmental. And I told her to read this. And she hasn't said a word about it since. Haha. You know, I think that's poison ivy sitting there. Leaves of 3. Boy, it sure as heck looks like poison ivy. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. I don't touch any. I don't want to get sick. So I'm going to finish cooling off a teeny bit, not too much. Get some water and hit the trails again and do the second half, which is actually longer in length and time-wise. And then that's it today. And I'm hoping when I get home, I will be quiet because a certain person went back to her home where she belongs. Thank you. You don't know, guys. Bye. Now I'm back again. I'm still sitting on that bench. I wanted to show you how beautiful it is back here without me talking for a change. So, yeah, kind of do a little panoramic here of the woods. And the silence is broken by people coming around the corner. So, bye again. Can I